Hey gorgeous, welcome back to Natural Glow. Ever wondered which oils can turn your hair from dull to dazzling? Today I'm spilling the secrets behind the 3 best oils for healthy hair, backed by science and centuries of beauty traditions. Let's dive in. First up, coconut oil. This tropical wonder penetrates deep into your hair shaft, locking in moisture and preventing protein loss. Perfect for dry or damaged hair. Pro tip, warm one. 2 tablespoons and apply from roots to ends. Leave it overnight for a hydration boost. Fun fact: according to the Journal of Cosmetic Science, coconut oil reduces protein loss by 39%. Next, argan oil, also known as liquid gold. Packed with vitamin E and antioxidants, it tames frizz, shields against heat, and adds insane shine. Use 2-3 drops as a leave-in treatment or heat protectant. Bonus: it doubles as a skin savior. Did you know? Argan trees take 50 years to mature. And finally, drum roll for #1, castor oil. Its ricinoleic acid boosts circulation, promoting thicker hair and faster growth. Thick texture, mix with lighter oils. Apply to roots 2-3 times weekly. A little goes a long way. Fun fact: ancient Egyptians used castor oil for luscious locks. There you have it, coconut, argan, and castor oil. Ready to transform your hair? Drop your favorite oil below and share this video with your squad. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more beauty hacks. Stay glowing!